Okay, Nazla, we have learned about procedure text. So I want to tell me the conclusion about our lesson today. Okay. What's the purpose of procedure text?
To show how something to made or how something to made or done based on the steps.
Okay, based on the steps. So how many generic structures do you know?
3.
Okay, what is that?
Goal, materials, and steps.
Okay. So here I have 2 envelopes. So you must choose one envelope.
Okay, miss.
So what do you want? 1 or 2?
2.
Okay, you want number 2?
Yes.
So open it. So what is your mission? What is that? How to make me instant
or
noodle instant, yeah? So do you know how to make mie instant based on the steps?
maybe.
Okay. So you stick it on your book and write the steps.
Okay, miss.
Okay, this is the glue. Okay, what's the goal?
The goal is how to make me instant.
Okay, so the second is materials. What is the materials?
The ingredients, there are 2. The ingredients, we have me instant and water.
Okay.
Tools, we have pen and chopstick.
Okay, so the next is steps.
First, the step is pour the water to the pan. After that, wait for 2 minutes until the water is steamed.
Okay.
Third, put the noodle to the pan and wait until 4 minutes. 5. After the noodle cook well, then pour the seasoning. 6. Stir the noodle with chopstick. And finally, the noodle is ready to be served. Thank you.